Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a rewind spread for last week because, as you can see, for the first time since I started planning with stickers, I didn't plan the week. And it's kind of weird to me because I've been doing this for such a long time that it's weird that I didn't plan, but it is what it is. I had a really stressful week at work, and just the last couple weeks have been pretty stressful. So anyways, I am filming this on Monday and going to try to put this up right away, and then you'll have like a plan with me, I think, on Wednesday for this following week. So I'm gonna try to get caught up, and yeah. So this is the kit I'm using. It is from Sweet Kawaii Designs. I think it's really cute. I bought it, I think, last fall, so I've had it for a while, and this is her Plan With Me Geometric Hearts kit, and it has a lot to it. I'm going to be using mostly this kit just because I think that it'll work. It has a lot of like the functional stuff that I need, and yeah, so I'm just going to get into it, doing the basics. I'm going to put my stuff down, and yeah, just kind of, I hope you enjoy this video. I don't know how much talking I'm going to really be doing through it because I'm just trying to get it all done, and I'm like working on orders right now. I'm not working today. I guess I can talk about that. I was a long-term subbing. I believe I told you guys that, and that job is over. My 7 weeks there is over, and so this is like the first time I've had off, like on a Monday, so it feels weird, but at the same time, it's kind of nice. I'm able to catch up on stuff because, so this week was pretty crazy, but it was mainly because this week, the week before, was super crazy. Like, I haven't even filled that in yet because I worked literally 6 days in a row, had a day off, and then had more work, and then yeah, I barely got like anything that I was supposed to get done, and I got behind on orders, and so I'm catching up on those, and yeah, so that's what's going on with that. I'm sad to be gone from my job, but part of me is happy too, just because some of my classes, which hello, because they watch my videos, were a bit of a handful for me, but there were a lot of kids that really just made it worth going into work too. So anyways, I'm taking today off to catch up on all the shop stuff and videos and get some videos filmed. I'm also taking, I guess I really shouldn't be talking about what I'm doing this week because I still have a plan with me for this week to talk about, but I'm also taking Thursday off of this week because I'm going to Disneyland to blow off some steam with my friends. So I am just going to lay down the basics. I'm almost done, so continue with these. Sorry if my lighting's off today. We've been working in the guest room, trying to make it look more like a guest room, and so my lighting was not set up, and I did not feel like, I felt like if I spent the time to set it up, that then I wouldn't film. So just kind of needed to get it going. So hopefully I can make this look good in post-production. Okay. So I have, where's my list? I made a list. I think it's pretty accurate. I had already like listed out these 3 days and then I remembered those. So the only one Thursday, I have no idea what I did when I got home. I cannot remember for the life of me. That page is all done and can be thrown away. So I'm going to grab, what am I going to do? I think I'm going to actually use my Hello Weekend sticker here because I think it'd be cute to kind of just use this. Oops, that is not right. Let's try to put it in the middle. That's good. I can't believe these inserts are almost over. I need to print out new ones. We'll buy them and print out new ones. I'm going to use this one for my meals. So I'm going to grab this, her little meal icon. And I'll use this pink header. And I'm going to use this one, the Fall in Love with Your Life sticker up here. Sorry, these inserts keep folding over and casting a shadow on this. Let's see, what can I use to pin this? Probably a paper clip would be helpful, huh? Let's see if I have anything around me. No, of course not. Why would I have something around me that I need? Oh well. Maybe we'll use a piece of washi. Okay. That is a way crooked sticker, even for me. Luckily, Sweet Kawaii Designs stickers are removable. The only thing with them is you have to kind of be careful because of the type of vinyl that they are. You can easily stretch them and warp them. So you just got to be careful about that. That you're not stretching them. And that's way crooked too. But oh well. Okay. Then I need, you know what, she has so many full boxes in here. I think I'll just use another full box to cover this stuff up. Because I'm not going to put in a habit tracker because, I don't know, I just don't. I think that's kind of silly. Like, I didn't have a habit tracker. Like, it just, yeah. Anyways, okay, so, I need to go grab my work stickers. I'll be right back. Okay, so I grabbed my work stickers. Does she have anything I can use to be like, maybe I'll use these. That'd be kind of fun. She usually uses them at the bottom for her meals. When I say she, I mean Tasia. But I think it'd be cute to, oh, I know something on Friday I wanted to mark. I will talk about it when I get there. I had coffee. I haven't had coffee since Wednesday. So I'm kind of like right now. So sorry, not sorry. So we'll put the work stickers in because it's cute. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so cute, guys. Look. Hold on, I need to do this. Cover up my leg. Look how cute that is. And these are from Planning Roses. I need to print out some of my work stickers because I'm almost done with these. I wanted to get through, like, I had a bunch of script ones from other shops, so I was trying to, like, get through them before I started using mine. But I have a ton of script words if you are interested. Oh, that reminds me. Awesome news. All domestic orders, so within the US, because I'm in the US, have now free shipping. You do not need to do anything or put anything in. It is just free shipping. So I think that is exciting. And I hope you guys are going to be excited about that. I know I am. Oh. Okay. So let's put in full boxes now. I'm gonna put, I guess we'll just go down the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's perfect. And then I can use one of those for Sunday, because I did a lot on Sunday. Like a lot. Because Saturday, I literally did nothing, as you will see. And it felt so good. It felt so, so good to literally do nothing. I haven't done that in months. So, that was very nice. Let's use this one. I think on this day too, I'm going to do a checklist. Let's do this color. Just all the stuff I did. I love her checklist because she always does like something cute, like a cloud or something. So they're just different than other people's checklists. I like when stickers makers do something unique and are not like everybody else. I have no idea what that is. I need to clean this room. Okay, now let's go day by day. So Monday I had work, and then after work we went to the grocery store. So I'm gonna put this, and are you kidding me? Is that all the half boxes I have? There's 2. I know this was her mini kit, so it didn't have as much stuff. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna have to go get some stickers that correspond, because this is not going to work otherwise. I did not think this out. I'll be right back again. Okay, so I pulled some stickers. I think that'll work, like correspond, like these 2 will work. And then I found these, which the plain ones I think will work just fine in here. So that is good. Okay. What else did I do? Oh, that's all we did. So on Tuesday I meal prepped, and there is a sticker for that, which is awesome in this kit. I went for a walk. Is there anything I can use to show I went for a walk? She doesn't have exercise ones in this one. That is just not normal for me. Okay, so I think I'm gonna grab this flag for the walk. Maybe I'll put it up here because we meal prepped and we have pizza. So no, I'm just gonna put it like this. And then I can put this one down here, and I'll just put that I walked there. On Wednesday, it was payday, and that was pretty much it. Like, I just didn't... Oh, here, I have workout stickers. Nah. It was a payday, and then I don't know what I did on Wednesday. I honestly don't know what I did on Wednesday. So let's see. There's that payday. What do I want to do, guys? I'm so confused. Not really, but you know what I mean. I don't want to do any of these like boxes with this stuff on. And this seems silly to have like such a big sticker for payday. I don't know. Oh well. I'm going to do it anyways. I am going to do it anyways. Okay. Thursday was another day I really just didn't do anything. Once I got home, I was just so tired. So I'm going to take one of these, which is from the Beautiful Mess, and put it down here. And I'm just going to put relax in the middle because that's what I did. And then Friday was my last day, so I want to put like a little flag there. And it was kind of fun is I participated in the assembly, like the pep rally, and did a Fortnite dance in front of half the school. I didn't win. It was like a dance off between teachers. I didn't win, but it was still fun. So that's last day. And then we went out to kind of celebrate that I was done. So I have some stickers here I want to use. Where are they? I thought I pulled some out. I really thought I pulled some out already. Sorry, this is a rambly mess of a plan with me. This is what happens when I don't film for a couple weeks. See, I knew I pulled out some Tiggeros. There we go. So that's how this week, that looks really cute. I'm glad I decided to back plan. I almost left it blank and my friends talked me into doing it anyways. Okay, so on Saturday, oh, it rained. Where are my rain stickers? It like rained. It was awesome. I actually got caught in the rain. So I like to mark in my planner when it rains. So it rained Friday night and Saturday. Just because it doesn't rain that often in LA. And it was like a good rain. It wasn't like, oh, you know, we barely got anything. We got like over an inch, which for us is a lot. So it was awesome to get some rain. Okay, so it was a lazy day on Saturday. I kid you not, I did not move for 10 hours. Like, I know that's really crazy, but I literally watched from start to finish the show The Haunting of Hill House. Like, I started in the morning at like 8 o'clock and finished it, all 10 episodes. So that's all I did. And it was nice. But I made up for it on Sunday. I did a lot of stuff. So on Sunday, we went to the grocery store. So I need these grocery stickers. So I'm actually going to put this on my to-do list down there. Took Grandma, Jima, to church and ran her errands. So, what can I use for that? I wanted to use this sticker, which is, it's a beautiful day to stay in the house. I thought that would be really cute to put right there since I did not leave the house. What can I use? I didn't do laundry. I did go for another walk. So let's use another flag and I can put it here. I bought ink, worked on orders. That can all go in here. What can I put here? Because now it feels like there has to be something there. I did some cleaning. I did dishes and stuff, so I will just put this sticker in the middle like that. And I think that completes my week. I will fill it in and show what it looks like filled in on Instagram in a couple days. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!